Hey, welcome back to D-Loney V8 Motorsports. A little philosophical here on a Sunday night. When I was growing up as a kid, I always wanted to live at a house that had a long driveway. And why? Because I wanted to be able to ride a dirt bike up and down the driveway to get the mail. And so, it's a dream come true. We've had a long driveway now for, I don't know, more than a decade. And I ride this thing up and down it. But in the winter months, it's dark. And so fast forward to 2024, and thanks to Amazon, battery powered lights. So let's check this thing out tonight. We're testing it out for the first time. Check it out, it really works. Yep, that is gonna cut it. Pretty nice. Yep, it started to rain here. It'll stop around June or so. That's Oregon for you. But the lights work. Let's get the mail. Are the rabbits out? No rabbits. Maybe this thing could use a tune-up. Okay, yeah, the lights are a little dim, but they work. Functional. That test passed. Okay, a feature test for the taillight. That's the boring mode. We got disco. We got safety, give you a seizure. More disco, and then off. There you go. There you have it. Thanks, Amazon.